guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christian, also known as I Am Simply K, and today I'll be showing you how I do my top knot buns. So typically I rock buns towards the end of the week, closer to my wash and go days, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Here my hair is in a messy bun because I just got out of the shower, but as I take my hair down, you can still see the curl definition in my hair. And this is what it looks like when it is damp. It's easier for me to work on damp hair versus dry or drenched hair because it's easier for me to pull it up later on. And then I go in with the Imania Beauty High Maintenance Elixir Oil created by Imania. She is a hair influencer here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. I will be sure to leave her information down below if you are interested in checking her out. And then here I am, I'm just going in and dropping a few drops of oil onto my scalp. And a little goes a long ways, and that's one of the reasons why I like this oil a lot. And I have seen results since I started using the oil. And here I'm just kind of moving forward and downward, and they say that's one way to stimulate hair growth. And then I use the excess oil from my fingers to kind of touch up my edges, because as you all know, we're always brushing them down and they could be a little bit fragile sometimes and need extra TLC. And then I'm going in with my spray bottle to start spraying my edges down. And this spray bottle came from Target, but you can also find good ones at CVS as well as at Ulta. And then I go in with my holy grail product, the Eco Styler Gel, which I love so much. I love the hold on it, and it just allows me to create sleek buns just the way that I like it, and it holds very nicely for me. And so I've been using Eco Gel for some time now, and it's never let me down. And then I begin to go in with my old school wooden brush, which I can't exactly remember where I got it from, but it's worked for me for a really long time, and it's never let me down as well. And here I'm just making sure that I smooth down all of my edges all around my head, especially in the back and on the sides. I really like sleek buns, so I make sure that I do that a lot. And then I go in with some jumbo hair ties, which I found from Alyssa Marie. She's another hair influencer here on YouTube. She uses them, and then I was like, I should try those. So I went to pick some up from CVS, and here I am using them. They're really good for thick hair, and I usually used to use the smaller ones, but now that my hair has grown a lot and has gotten thicker, I have moved up to the jumbo ones. And so here I am just pulling my hair through with the hair tie. And sometimes it could be the struggle, but you know, I just use my muscles to get the job done. But I'm making sure that all the hair is collected here. And then I have like a messy pineapple situation going on here, but I go back in with the brush to smooth my edges down again. And then I start to collect my curls, and I begin the actual bun process, and I twirl my hair around the hair tie. And then I go in with a smaller hair tie to start collecting some of the curls and flyaways. And then I go back in with another smaller hair tie to collect whatever is left. And then it's starting to look a lot better. And then I start going in with a bobby pin, and I make sure that I tuck away any flyaways or lumps that I might see. Going in here with another one because I see another flyaway. And then I go back in with Eco Gel again just to smooth down my edges again. All around my hair. Then I go back in with the brush again to smooth my edges down. And I really like to make sure that I get the back as well and the sides. And then I start the swooping process here of my baby hairs. Sometimes this is like literally the most fun part about the whole process because it reminds me of when I was a little girl and how my mom used to do my hair, and it used to turn out just like this. And so it's really cute just to kind of lay your baby hairs down. And then I noticed there's another little lump over there on the side, if you could see it. So I'm going to go back in again with another bobby pin to kind of pin it down. So it's becoming a lot more smoother. I want the back to look good. So I'm going back in again just to make sure that it's really sleek. And then I'm going back in again with the Imania Beauty oil and making sure that I get my edges because, like I said, they are very fragile and they need extra TLC. So I want to make sure that they are laid down with some oil. And this is the final look of my top knot bun. Trying to have my baby hairs slayed like sweetie. It's like, no, but yeah, no, really though, her edges and her baby hair is the A1. But yeah, so this is the final look of my top knot buns. Like I said, it's like my go-to style towards the end of the week before my wash and go days. And this is just like what I like to rock. Sometimes I do like ballerina buns to the back. Let me know if you in the comments if you guys want to see me do that as well. But yep, this is my go-to look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.